See, if you're among those people that when you are bathing, steam comes out of your body like as if they're cooking you. For someone with a dry skin, you have no business using a foaming cleanser. This, my friend, is what we call dry skin. Dry skin is simply when your skin lacks the necessary moisture and natural oils that it needs to stay supple and hydrated. You can get rid of dull skin, dry skin, itchy skin, eczema, or flaky skin by simply changing your skincare routine to one that is designed to deal with these issues that I just mentioned. And that is what I'll be sharing in this video. I have created a morning and evening routine to quench your thirsty skin. All right. To be honest, dry skin can be very uncomfortable, especially when it's beginning to itch, or your skin starts to look scaly, or your skin starts to crack. And you can experience dry skin on any part of your body, like your arms, your legs. Someone like me, I tend to experience dry skin on my legs, and I had to change a lot of things in my skincare routine and also my lifestyle. And that has really helped me a lot. Yes, a lot of us had to deal with dry skin at some point in our lives. Some people have naturally dry skin, and for some others, their dry skin can be as a result of weather conditions or their lifestyle. All of you that used to bathe with hot water, see, if you're among those people that when you are bathing, steam comes out of your body like as if they're cooking you, my dear, don't even bother. Don't even bother to complain about dry skin because you are the one that is responsible for your problem. So if you have a dry skin, stay far from hot water. I stopped bathing with hot water when I saw my skin drying out before my very eyes. Like, I'd rather bathe with lukewarm water. If the weather is very cold, I'd rather bathe with lukewarm water. For some persons, dry skin can also be as a result of health conditions. And for some other persons, it can be due to excessive washing or exposure to harsh soaps or even genetics. The first step in dealing with dull and dry skin is to build a skincare routine or a skincare regimen that focuses on three things: moisture, nourishment, and hydration. What did I say? Moisture, nourishment, hydration. So let's get right into the products you need to tackle this issue of dry skin, how to arrange these products in your skincare routine. Number one is cleansing. When it comes to washing your face, the type of cleanser you choose should depend on your sensitivity to the ingredients and your skin's moisture level. For someone with a dry skin, you have no business using a foaming cleanser. Look out for hydrating washes or cleansers specifically made with hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, ceramides, oats, antioxidants like vitamin E. A lot of hydrating cleansers have this creamy consistency and they help to soothe your skin, remove dirt and oil without stripping your skin of its natural oils the way most foaming cleansers do. And using a hydrating cleanser will help to prevent dryness by protecting and replenishing your skin's natural moisture. So, examples of good and effective hydrating and cleansers to add to your skincare routine if you have dry skin are: number one, the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. You can try the Cetaphil gentle cleanser, the La Roche-Posay Toleriane Dermo cleanser. You can also try the Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Face Cleanser and the Simple Moisturizing Facial Wash. So step two is to exfoliate. If you have a dull and dry skin, exfoliation can play a very crucial role in your nighttime routine. Like, it can literally be a game changer. By taking off dead skin cells from the surface of your skin, you are allowing your other ingredients like your toners, your serums, your moisturizers to penetrate your skin, and this will enhance the effectiveness of your product, thereby giving you a brighter and smoother skin. Just make sure that you choose a gentle exfoliant that will not irritate your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. Chemical exfoliants are a better option for your face because physical scrubs can or physical exfoliants can tend to be too harsh and abrasive on your facial skin. When choosing chemical exfoliants for your face, go for gentle ones like lactic acid. Lactic acid is an AHA and it is oftentimes recommended for dry skin and sensitive skin because it is one of the gentlest, the most gentle AHA, and it offers hydrating benefits as well. So, which means that lactic acid would not only exfoliate your skin but also hydrate your skin. This also means that Lactic acid can be used by all skin types, even if you don't have a dry skin. So for someone with dry skin seeking to, seeking for that perfect chemical exfoliant to help to improve and improve your dull and dry skin, lactic acid should be your companion. You have to exfoliate only at night and use your chemical exfoliant once or twice a week, only at night. So you can try the ordinary lactic acid 5% and hyaluronic acid. Step 3 is to tone. After washing your face, use a hydrating toner. Toners are a very important part of our skincare routine. Like, in my opinion, everybody should use a toner because it goes a long way in your skincare routine. A good toner for a dry skin should be hydrating enough to help to lock in moisture. And toners, you apply toners with the help of a cotton pad or with your hands. One of the things that a toner does for your skin is to prep it for the other wonderful ingredients in the rest of your skincare routine. The best toners for dry skin will help to plump up your skin, restore hydration, and also balance the pH of your skin. So, but if you have a dry skin, run away from anything that has alcohol in it. Don't even try to use it. I remember the comment someone made on my video some time ago where I reviewed a product. I read out the ingredient list, and one of the ingredients I listed out was phenoxyethanol. And this person commented on my video and said that this product is very, very bad and it is dangerous. It contains alcohol. Everybody stay clear from this product. I know this person made these comments from a place of ignorance and did not know better, and probably concluded because she saw ethanol. These are scientific names, please. Phenoxyethanol is not an alcohol. It is a preservative that is used in cosmetics to increase or to extend their shelf life. So because I said run away from anything that has alcohol doesn't mean that when you see a product that contains phenoxyethanol as one of its ingredients, you will run. Learn to research ingredients sometimes. So instead of doing guesswork, that is why I'm taking the pain to personally recommend this product because they do not contain anything that will harm your skin. Okay, so you can try out any of these hydrating toners. You can try the CeraVe alcohol-free hydrating toner. You can also try the Heritage Rose Water facial toner with hyaluronic acid, the rice toner, the Mario Badesque aloe vera toner, or the Isn't green tea fresh toner. Okay, serums are very important in our skincare routine and should always follow after your toner. When choosing a serum for dry skin, you want to choose a very hydrating serum that provides moisture and shields your skin against environmental pollutants that can damage your skin. So this simply means that you would be getting a serum that hydrates your skin and also works as an antioxidant for your daytime routine. For the purpose of hydration, you should look out for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, panthenol, that is vitamin B5. These ingredients are great for your skin because they help to lock in moisture and also prevent transepidermal water loss, which is one of the causes of severe dry skin. So transepidermal water loss happens when water evaporates from your skin through your pores, and this can leave your skin feeling dry and flaky. So the presence of hyaluronic acid or panthenol in your products can help to prevent it to a large extent, and this can also help to delay the early signs of aging. Other ingredients you should look out for is squalene, ceramides, and antioxidants like vitamin C. You can get a vitamin C serum that also contains hyaluronic acid to use during the day in your morning routine so that you can get both antioxidant and hydration benefits from the product, while you can use a serum that purely hydrates your skin at night. So this means that you can use the hyaluronic acid serum in your night routine for its hydration and anti-aging benefits. You can try out serums like the CeraVe Hydrating Hyaluronic Serum, the ordinary hyaluronic serum 2% and B5, the La Roche-Posay Hyalo B5 Pure Hyaluronic Acid Face Serum, or the Simple Water Boost Hydrating Booster. So the next step in your skincare routine is your moisturizer. When it comes to dry skin, a good facial moisturizer is your knight in shining armor. Trust me, especially when you use a moisturizer that hydrates and caters to the needs of your dry skin both day and night. If your skin is dry and sensitive, look out for fragrance-free face creams with ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, ceramides, because these ingredients will help to bind and retain moisture, thereby giving your skin that plumped look and making your skin look nourished day and night. You can try out these moisturizers, the Cosrx Advanced Snail Moisturizer. You can try the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Moisturizer for dry skin. You can also try the Cetaphil Moisturizer with SPF, the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Face Cream, or the Simple Hydrating Light Moisturizer. Then the sixth thing you need, which is optional, is an eye cream. You can apply an eye cream around your eyes to ensure hydration and protection throughout the night. This is an optional step, but it can make a huge difference in nourishing and hydrating the delicate skin around your eyes. And if you have dry skin, you don't just pick up an eye cream and start using. You have to learn to choose products that target your specific skin concerns. For someone with a dry skin, when choosing an eye cream, look out for ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, ceramide, oats, vitamin B5 to help to deeply moisturize and nourish the skin around your eyes. And even the act of massaging the eye cream around your eyes can help to increase blood flow and minimize the appearance of dark circles and puffiness around your eyes. So these are options or you can try for your eye cream: the Face Fact Ceramide Replenishing Eye Cream, the Tokobo Collagen Brightening Eye Gel Cream, the Garnier Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream. Okay, the next step in your skincare routine is sunscreen, which is very mandatory. I'm sure you all know what a sunscreen does and what it is. This step is basically the last step in your morning daily skincare routine. Always apply a broad spectrum sunscreen of at least SPF 50 and above to protect your skin from sun damage. Many people still think that you only need a sunscreen when you are out in the sun. Sunscreens are a daily necessity if a healthy skin is your goal. Use your sunscreen even when you are indoors. I have a lot of videos on sunscreen, so please go and watch it. Okay. Some sunscreens can be very moisturizing, and if you have dry skin, the trick is to find a sunscreen that caters to the needs of dry skin, because all sunscreens are not created equally. You can try the following sunscreens if you have a dry skin. You can try the Isntree Hyaluronic Acid Watery Sun Gel. You can try the Tokobo Bao Watery Sun Cream. You can try the Bao UV Aqua Rich Watery Sunscreen Essence. So there you have it, a comprehensive skincare routine to rescue your dull and your dry skin. Remember, consistency is key. And believe me when I tell you that, when I say that your patience will pay off, trust me, it will pay off. I took my time to break down the steps and also recommended good products so you don't have to go and do guesswork, okay? If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting beauty content. Until next time, stay hydrated, stay beautiful, stay glowing. See you in my next video. Bye bye.